up, guys? So today's the big day. A big day, because as I already told you, we have to change all 3 beams, and this kind of has to be done at once, because if we take the middle one out, we have to take everything down. So it's a bit scary under the given weather conditions, but Nico's back, so we're good to go. And we've already taken down all the tiles from one side. Now comes the second side, and yeah, we're just gonna try to be as fast as we can to take basically the entire third down. We haven't done such a big piece in one go yet, and I sincerely hope the weather plays its role. Let's get to it. Here we see a little bit the state of this. What do you think? Still solid? Il tient bien là le poteau. we have arrived at the last corner, and since there have been a couple of unplanned events, I'm gonna call it, such as for instance the elevation we did for the entrance door, obviously the material that I calculated isn't gonna be quite sufficient. In addition, I obviously ordered 110 isolation boards, which is like pressed basically wood fiber. They only gave me, I think, 92 or 93 because somehow they didn't have enough in store. So I have the problem that I have right now. I have 4 left and a couple of pieces that I cut, and I definitely need more. So I'm gonna see if I get some from somewhere else, and otherwise we're gonna have to improvise a little bit, because we obviously wanna isolate it. I also got some polystyrene pieces from somebody who had them to give away. I just need to look a bit how to organize this now. Let's get to it.